Hello, this is Dan from About That Life in Japan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share and give a little clarity, or shall I say a glimpse, into the direction of this channel in 2025 as we slowly march on towards 100,000 subscribers. Over the past year, I've been transitioning from faceless meme and gaming focused content to stepping in front of the camera to connect with you all directly. I've put my other channels on the back burner and taken on this challenge and grown a bit more comfortable in front of the camera. I'm still not perfect. I'm embracing this journey and excited to improve as I go. Simply, my channel's new approach revolves around 3 key goals. Let's dive in. First, sharing my experiences in Japan. I first arrived in Japan in 1994, and it has been an incredible adventure ever since. Being able to say that I'm now living and thriving in a country so different from where I was born is truly a blessing. Now, if you don't know, I was born in Galveston and raised in Houston, Texas. Did you hear that twang? It's quite a ways from here, and it hasn't always been easy, but every challenge has been very, very worth it. I'm excited to share these experiences with you, everything from work, adapting to the culture, and to building a fulfilling life here in Japan. I also hope to inspire and help anyone interested in living or working in this amazing country. 2, I'm hoping to continue exploring and sharing my passions. I've always been a car enthusiast. Since my very first car, a 1983 Fairlady Z 280ZX, I've been hooked. After blowing the engine and pissing my father off, I fixed it. I got it from the junkyard, pulled out the engine, put in a new one, and actually got it moving. I dove into tuning, and Japan's car culture has been the perfect playground for me. After 15 years of teaching, I got into vehicle and equipment export, and this has allowed me the pleasure of owning a number of JDM cars, another Z, RX-7, a couple of NSXs, and my favorites, 2 Lotuses. We can talk about the Lotuses later. The engines are actually Japanese JDM, but anyway. Beyond cars, I've immersed myself in tech, building gaming PCs, learning coding basics, creating a couple of websites, and eventually diving into CAD modeling. Thanks to my years of teaching and exporting experience, I've been able to grow my computer and gaming hobby into a full-blown 3D printing business. This, along with Japan's anime and hobby culture, are also huge passions of mine, and I'm excited to share and learn more about these incredible hobbies with you. Lastly, if I can effectively share my experiences and passions, I hope to provide value to you, the community. My journey in Japan and the opportunities I've been afforded have been amazing, but I've rarely shared the personal side of that journey, my upbringing, challenges, and growth with anyone outside of my very, very small circle. Besides my most astute students and esteemed colleagues, not many people really know much about Dan Johnson IV, other than I like cars. Through this channel, I hope to create a digital time capsule, offering insight and inspiration. I've really noticed a larger number of content creators from outside of Japan talking about things in Japan. Now, this is not to say that their perspectives are inaccurate or incomplete, but I would like to share my perspective, having lived here for over a quarter of a century, and hopefully in sharing my story, it can help someone take the leap to buy a ticket, visit, or choose to live and work in this amazing country, or a country different from your own. Just get out and go somewhere. If I can do that, then it's all worth it. Taking that first step is always the hardest, but I want to show you that it's possible and the rewards are incredible. I'll be turning 50 in about 6 months. That's about June. And I'm about 20,000 subscribers away. Is it 20? 15, 20? A little less than 20,000 subscribers away from 100. And it would be an amazing birthday present to myself if I can achieve that goal. Can't do it alone. Definitely need help. And I hope you'll be there for me. I'm excited to continue to grow this space together with you. I hope I can be a valuable resource, and I thank you for being here with me. Here's to an amazing 2025 with more silver than gold.